I'm in Osaka Station, Hankyu Line, JR stations there. Lots of people walking. Oh, there's some white people there. Look, ooh, white people. Not a great. I think I've taken photos of this place before. Yeah, running out of stuff to do. I don't know what to do. I gotta get home tomorrow. I have to come back here and do training. Paid 860 yen for some meal. Man, expensive shit, man. Expensive to come out here in Osaka all the time. Very, very expensive. Well, nobody here. At 5, this is a famous store. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. See you guys later.